Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Genco, NEL2. In this video, we are going to discuss fractions and types of fractions related to Chapter 7, Fractions and Decimals. Let us start fractions. What is the definition of fractions? A fraction is used to represent the portion or part of the whole thing. It represents the equal parts of the whole. A fraction has two parts, that is top and bottom. The top part is indicate numerator and bottom part is indicate denominator. What is the definition of numerator? Numerators is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. Here A is indicate numerator. In the fraction 1 by 8, 1 is called numerator. Next to definition of denominator. Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which whole is divided into. Here B is called denominator. Examples for denominator: in the first fraction 1 by 8, 8 is called denominator. Another example of 1 by 4, in 1 by 4, 4 is called denominator. It is indicate total parts of the whole. Important note: in the fraction a by b, b cannot be 0 because if b equal to 0, then the fraction will not define as we cannot divide anything by 0. So in the denominator we should not take 0, but in numerator we can take 0. Solution to try this. First question: how will you represent the following pictorially? First question, 3 by 4. Already I drawn here picture. In 3 by 4, 3 is indicate shaded parts and 4 is indicate total parts of the picture. Second question, 2 by 8. 2 is indicate shaded parts and 8 is indicate total parts of the figure. Third question, 1 by 3. Here 1 is indicate shaded part and 3 is indicate total parts. Fourth question, 5 by 8. 5 is indicate shaded parts and 8 is indicate total parts. Second question, write the fractions representing the shaded portion. First figure is indicate 2 by 3 because here 2 parts is shaded and the total parts of a figure is 3 parts. Second picture, shaded part is 1 and total parts are 4 parts. So we can write 1 by 4. Third figure indicate is 4 by 6 because here 4 parts are shaded and total parts are 6. Now we are going to discuss types of fractions. The first fraction is proper fraction. Definition of proper fraction: the numerator is less than the denominator in a fraction. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Examples for proper fractions: 9 by 10 and 1 by 4. Some more examples for proper fraction. Next to definition of improper fraction. The fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. Example for improper fraction. Next to difference between proper fraction and improper fraction. Do you know the value of proper fraction is or always less than 1? Example for proper fraction, 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. So 0.25 is always less than 1. Next to improper fraction. Value of improper fraction are greater than 1. Example, 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. So it is greater than 1. Definition of mixed fraction: a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Such fractions are called mixed fractions. Examples for mixed fractions: 1 by 4. Here 1 is called whole number and 1 by 4 is called proper fraction since numerator is less than denominator. Conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Example, 5 by 4 is a improper fraction. Now we can convert into mixed fraction. See here division, 4 is a divisor and 5 is a dividend. 4 1 ja 4 and remainder is 1. So it is convert into mixed fraction is 1 by 4. Solution to do this. The first question, write 5 fractions and draw them pictorially. Solution, 5 proper fractions are 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 1 by 2, 4 by 7 and 5 by r. These are all proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. Pictorially representation. The first fraction is 2 by 3 because here 2 parts are shaded and total parts are 3. Second picture 3 by 5. Third picture 1 by 2. Fourth picture 4 by 7 because here 4 parts are shaded and total parts are 7. Fifth picture 5 by 6. Here 5 parts are shaded and total parts are 6. Second question, Rani says that shaded position in given figure represents 1 by 4. Do you agree with her? Give reason to support your answer. Solution, yes. In the given figure, the shaded portion represents 1 by 4 because whole part is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is taken, that is shaded. Second question, represent the following fractions pictorially. Solution for 7 by 4. Here each circle represents a hole. We have 2 holes out of which 7 equal parts are shaded. The shaded part represents 7 by 4. Solution for 5 by 3. Here each circle represents a hole. We have 2 holes out of which 5 equal parts are shaded. So the shaded part represents 5 by 3. Solution for 7 by 6. Here each circle represents a hole. We have 2 holes out of which 7 equal parts are shaded. The shaded part represents 7 by 6. Here 7 is indicate shaded parts and 6 is indicate total parts from the each figure. Solution to try this. First question, write the numerator and denominator of the following fractional numbers. Solution, 1 by 3. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. Next to 7 by 2. Numerator is 7, denominator is 2. Next to 7 by 29. Numerator is 7, denominator is 29. Next to 1 by 7, numerator is 1, denominator is 7. Next to 2 by 5, numerator is 2, denominator is 5. Next to 19 by 3, numerator is 19, denominator is 3. Next to 11 by 13, numerator is 11, denominator is 13. Next to 8 by 3, numerator is 8 and denominator is 3. Second question, sort the following fractions into the category of proper and improper fractions and also write improper fractions into mixed fractions. Solution, first proper fractions are 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 3 by 5, 1 by 9. Improper fractions are 8 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 5, 8 by 7. And the improper fractions convert into mixed fractions. 8 by 3 we can write 2 by 3 and 5 by 3 we can write 1 2 by 3 and 9 by 5 we can write 1 4 by 5 and 8 by 7 we can write 1 by 7. Dear children, today home assignment is what I explained in this video. Practice one time in homework book. Thank you.